Hello, my name is Gerald Nave Jr., the proud principal of Normandy High School, and this is our homecoming weekend. This is a weekend full of pride and traditions, and I just hope that everyone comes out, have a good time, and let's celebrate together and enjoy and make wonderful, wonderful memories.
Hello, my name is Jeremy Davis. I'm the athletic director here at Normandy High School, celebrating the 100th year anniversary of Normandy, and it's exciting for this homecoming week. I'm excited for the students. I want them to have a good time. I want them to interact with some of the alumni. Some of the alumni are their family members, so they can come out here and have a good time, enjoy the parade, enjoy the game, and also enjoy the dance at the end of the night. So I'm excited for all of that.
Hello, everyone. I am Susie Scott, the Fine Arts Director here in the Normandy Schools Collaborative. I am amped for the 100th anniversary of Normandy High School. Go Vikings! We bleed red and green. On you, Vikings.